360-degree panoramic view.
在那里，您将可以享受到360度的。
Hi. So I've met these French people here on Amoreiras.
Amoreiras.
All right. You can state your names.
So I'm Nicholas.
I'm Maëlie.
I'm Quentin.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
and,
you.
Enjoy this nice view here.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir. It's Monday morning, traveling back to Porto. It's almost 11. I have to wait half an hour for the bus. Up until now, I haven't looked where to stay, where to sleep for these couple of days left here in Portugal. So I better start looking on booking.com for a hostel because that's the cheapest way to go.
Tem que pôr em cima, senão para o vento tem que ficar para baixo, está bem?
Just arrived in Porto with the bus a few hours ago. Just booked my hostel to live for these 2 nights. Walking to the hostel and then just let's start discovering Porto. Booked my hostel when I was on the bus on the way to Porto, and here I am now. After 30 minutes walking from the bus station to the hostel, I've made it to the hostel. I settled up. The hostel was very welcome. It seems very clean. Persons are very welcoming. And now relaxing a little bit in their garden, as it is so cool hostel, obviously a so cool hostel. Get a 10% off your trip back when using my booking.com link from the first comment of this video. Enjoy traveling and keep on smiling. Ciao ciao, see you next week my friends.